Hi everyone. So this is the strawberries that I got from the Huber's Winery yesterday that I went to, and I did a lot of strawberry picking yesterday within only a half an hour because we went there pretty late. And this is the amount of strawberry that I've got. So now I will start with wash off the strawberries and then get rid of the crowns of the crown leaves of the strawberry, and then I will separate them in the containers, and I will use some of them to make the tea and then some of them to maybe eat later within the next few days. So I will take you guys along. I will share with you guys my process of how I will process these strawberries. Alright, so I just finished washing the strawberries and separate the leaves away from the actual strawberries. So now you can see they're all fresh and clean, and now I will go ahead and separate them into different containers and later on making some tea out of it. Okay, so now I am going to start making the sweet tea, and I use 4 bags of black tea and also got a whole container of strawberries and sugar, and now I'm going to boil the tea, and next I'm going to blend the strawberries. Hi, you can see now the tea is boiling, so it's almost time for us to finish the process. And here I got the mixture of strawberries along with watermelon. I add some watermelon this time to add some more funny flavors to it. Hopefully it's good. And tea is boiling, so now we're going to add the juice into the tea and also filter it. So now my husband is helping me with this process, so you can see that he's pouring the juice slowly into the filter, and you can see the juice is coming out and is falling down to the tea. He's doing it very well. It's really full. Hey Nathan, all right, I think hopefully he's not gonna flow out. Oh, that's good. Okay, so can you pick up that and just stir it, and to make sure all the juice coming down. This is going to take a while because it seems like there's a lot of juice in there, so it's going to take a while, but hopefully it's going to be a tasty tea that we got. So now my husband is going to put 4 scoops of sugar into the tea, and each scoop is 1/4 of a cup. Well, you can see him doing it in a fancy way. Yes. You see the sugar is flowing down. The reason why I put a whole cup of sugar in is because we're making a whole pitch for the whole week, so we need a little more sugar than usual. And now he's going to stir it, and after that the tea is going to be ready to drink, but you might have to wait to let the tea cool down for like an hour or two. You can actually put it in the fridge as well to cool down the tea, because I know it's going to be very hot, so be careful, and hopefully you guys enjoy your own tea.